shoot a video? Would you mind?
No? Go ahead.
Okay, my name is Nicolás.
Yes.
What's your name?
Linda.
Yeah?
Linda.
Linda. Okay. What is your favorite animal?
The wolf.
Why?
Just like it. Don't have a specific reason.
Are you afraid of any animal?
Spiders. Snakes.
Which was the first zoo you visited?
It was back in Holland. It's yeah. What's it called? Blijdorp.
Do you think it is right to keep wild animals at zoo?
Depends on the way that the people are keeping them. Now if the enclosures are large and if they're trying to breed the animals to keep them alive, you know, it's good. I don't like it when they're being kept in a very small area.
Where is the nearest zoo? And the nearest to your house?
It's Blijdorp.
If you could choose to be an animal, what would you do?
A wolf, probably.
Do you love pets?
I have a pet, yes. A dog.
What do you
Would you recommend your friends to visit Bibu?
I'm not sure yet. I've only just been here for a few minutes, so.
Savera?
Do you feel exempted by an animal?
Sorry?
Do you feel exempted by any animal?
Not that I think.
Do you feel represented
Oh.
by an animal?
Not really. Not.
No. That's not.
What animals do you think the most dangerous?
No, it's what? Dangerous. Oh, there's a lot of them. I wouldn't know one at the top of my head. There's a lot of animals that are dangerous for different reasons.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for your keen answer and enjoy your visit here.
Thank you.
Bye.
But I'm not from Barcelona, I'm from Germany.
It's okay.
Would you mind? We will need us to shoot a video, would you mind?
Shoot a video here.
With us or? I don't understand this question.
The question we would need to shoot a video.
Okay.
Okay.
My name is Niklaus. And what's your name?
Beatrice. Beatrice? Beatrice.
Okay. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the lion.
A lion. Why?
Lion.
Why?
Why? Because it's a very strong animal and yes, I like it.
Are you afraid of any animal?
Afraid? Yes. Lion.
Which was the first zoo you visited?
The first zoo was in Munich.
Do you think it is right?
It's a difficult question. I like to see some, but I think that good for the animals to be here for a long time.
Sì, la stessa
If you could choose to be an animal, what would you be?
If you, them?
If you could choose to be an animal,
Oh, okay. I think a strong one, like a tiger or a lion.
do you love pets?
Yes. A cat, I like cats.
Would you recommend your friends to visit the zoo?
Would you recommend it to friends? That's again?
Like, Abraham, this was very good. Come here and look at the animal. recommend?
Yes.
Do you feel represented by any animal?
Represented by the oh. I think so, yes. What animal do you think is most dangerous? Most dangerous? I think snake or lions or tigers. Yes.
Thank you very much for your keen answer and enjoy your visit to the zoo.